Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to customize tab navigation for signing in BoldSign. In BoldSign, the default tab navigation order follows the top left to bottom right sequence based on the alignment of form fields. While this navigation order works for most documents, there are situations where users may need a customized tab navigation order to suit their document-specific flow and structure. With BoldSign's Index tab option, users can control the order in which signers move through the form fields, providing a smoother and more organized signing experience. During document creation, users can easily set the desired tab navigation order using numbers for each form field. This will guide the signer through the document in the intended navigation order and enhance the overall usability and efficiency of the signing process. Consider a scenario where a sales manager needs to send a detailed sales agreement to a client. The agreement includes multiple sections that need to be reviewed and signed in a specific order. To ensure a smooth signing process, the sales manager sets a custom tab navigation order that guides the client through the form fields in the intended order. This helps the client navigate through each section systematically, ensuring all necessary fields are filled out before the document is finalized. Let me demonstrate how the sales manager would do that. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I click the Create New button and choose Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document for Signing page, where I upload the sales contract form. Next, I add the client's details in the Add Recipient section. I move forward by clicking Next, which takes me to the Configure Fields page. This is where I set up the form fields. I drag and drop all the required form fields to their respective positions on the document. Next, I need to set the tab navigation order for these form fields in ascending order. First, I find out the total number of form fields in the document. Then I select the first field to start with and navigate to its settings section. I move to the tab index field. Here you can only specify the navigation order using numbers. The default option is set to auto, which also means 0. Fields without a set tab index will be navigated in the default top left to bottom right order. Fields with a tab index value will be focused on first when using the tab key. Once those are completed, the tab key will navigate through fields without a tab index based on their alignment. You can assign the same tab index number to multiple fields. In this case, the navigation order will follow the top left to bottom right alignment. To exclude a form field from the tab navigation, you need to set its tab index to -1. Since this is the first field to be navigated, I set the tab index value to 1. Next, I specify the tab index values for the remaining fields. Please note that automatically populated fields will be skipped in the navigation order during the signing process. Once done, I review my changes and send the document for signing by clicking the Send button. Now let's switch to the signer's side and see how the tab navigation order works. The signer receives a signature request email. When I click the Review and Sign button in the signature request email, I am navigated to the signing page. Here I need to sign the document. To start signing, I click the Start Signing button. I am taken to the section where the first field specified by the sender in the tab navigation order is located, and I enter the required data. To shift the focus to the next field, I can either click the Next Field button or press the Tab key on my keyboard. I enter the required data and move to the next field. As you can see, automatically populated form fields like name and email are skipped in the navigation order, as they are already complete. To return to a previous field for editing or updating, I can simply press the Shift plus Tab key combination. This reverses the navigation order, allowing me to revisit earlier fields without manually clicking back. I complete filling in the remaining fields in the specified navigation order. Once done, I review my changes and click the Finish button to complete the signing process. That summarizes how to set the tab navigation order for form fields in a document and sign a document with tab navigation in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.